Moses. Back in. Guys, if you get them. They're charging us, crap!
Nate, left side. Nate, left side. Oh my God.
Oh.
Okay, go. Where is that?
Hey, game's almost over. So.
What's up, guy? New guy.
All right.
Where are they?
Farmhouse. What?
Over here.
Hey, Dylan. What a dick. He freaking shot me in the shoulder.
Somebody over here, too.
Come, you bitch. Take this.
Is it loaded? No!
Yeah.
You don't have the tire for this. Buzzer, baby me!
Dude, nice. Is that a cyber gun?
Yep.
That's the same gun I was going to get.
Got it from Dunham's.
Nice.
Hey, we have time, boys. I'm in front of you.
Go. Come on.
Hey, guys.
Go. Get to the house. Tree line.
To the house. Hey, go. Tree line. Get fire. Tom, are you hitting the thing, man? I don't know. Go.
You can use it. You can use it. Paul, me and you.